In some more breaking news that has just come in, another compensation scam is now exposed. In Chhattisgarh, farmers given meager compensation checks of as low as 81 rupees for a crop damage due to hailstorm in a 5-acre farm. So that's the latest that we are breaking to you, that this is the kind of amount that the farmers are being handed over as compensation. Let us listen into what the aggrieved farmers have to say.
जो कि मेरा 6 एकड़ का नुकसान में दिखाया था, 5 एकड़ का गेहूं और 1 एकड़ में साग सब्जी, जिसे मात्र 5-5.5 हजार ही मिला है।
क्या लगता है जितना मुआवजा मिल रहा है उससे संतुष्ट हैं आप लोग? संतुष्ट
नहीं है सर, कहा कि आज तक खुद समझिए खाद कितने का कीमत का है, बीज कितने कीमत की है और साग सब्जी में मेहनत कितना लगता है, जिसमें 5.5 हजार तो मैं सब्जी में ही लगाया था।
तो किसानों के साथ छलावा नहीं लगता आपको?
जी सर।
क्या होना चाहिए?
मैंने सही मुआवजा होना चाहिए, जो सरकार दे रही है तो यदि नहीं देती तो फिर तो कोई आशा नहीं है सर।
तो जितना नुकसान तुमन के होई से उतना मुआवजा मिल पाई इसका?
नहीं मिली से।
क्या चाहता तुमन शासन से?
तो अब शासन से अब पूरा मुआवजा तो नहीं देता है, ऐसे सब जन पूछा था तो का करो, जेकर नुकसान से ते अधिक दे देता है और जेकर ज्यादा नुकसान से बहुत कम मिलता है।
Hemendra now joins us on the phone line. Hemendra, give us the facts in this case. I mean, we are showing these checks of 81 rupees being handed over to the farmers. Clearly falls hugely short of the kind of losses that the farmers have faced.
Well, the government of Chhattisgarh had announced compensation to the farmers after they suffered heavy losses due to hailstorms. And now this sham has come out in the open in the sense that farmers have been given checks of as low as 81 rupees as compensation for a plot of around 5 acres of land. And the compensation ranges from anything as low as 81 rupees to, say, 5,000 rupees for 6 acres of land. So this is the kind of sham that has just come out, and farmers are obviously grieved, saying that they have invested much more than what they are actually getting for just the seeds and other agricultural inputs that have been put in, and there is no word on the kind of labor that they had put in and also the kind of other damages they had suffered. But the Chhattisgarh government, on one hand, while promising compensation that is adequate compensation to the farmers and saying that they would take care of the farmers at whatever it takes, and on the other hand, they are showing this kind of irresponsibility, bureaucratic irresponsibility.